Welcome back to day 7 of Learn Python in 5 minutes a day. Today, we are going to learn about comparison operators, the symbols that relate to compare values in Python. So, let's dive in. In Python, comparison operators are used to check if values are equal, not equal, greater, or smaller. They always return a true or false result, which is called a Boolean value. So now, let us see some examples. Here we have opened our learn.py folder. Let's open another file that is comparison.py. Okay, then let's see what are the main ones here. I have comments here, obviously. Sign. And then you have obviously you have not equal sign. Maybe I don't need this here. Okay. Cut. Then a less than sign. I really like it how effective this thing can be. This suggestion thing, obviously. And then greater than or equal sign. And then obviously spaceship operator. So I don't need it anymore right now. Okay. So now, let's try them out in Python. Well, let us give a variable, say A, yeah, 10, and then B, okay, 3, and now print. Wow, it's like I don't have to do anything here. Okay, then another pin, yeah, not equal to B. You know, I can actually do this, but I'm really, what can I say, lazy? Maybe most lazy people are coders nowadays. Okay, then obviously less than or equal to B. And greater than or equal to B. Well, it's already done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let's see. So, as you can see, this operator shows if two values are equal or not. If it's equal, then you get a true, and if it's not, then you get a false. Like always, if it's not equal, like here A is not equal to B, and that comes as true. Then A is less than B, that's true. Well, that's false. And if A is greater than B, and that's true. So we can all see here. So that's how comparison operators work in Python. They're super useful when you want to make decisions in your code, especially in conditions and loops, which we will explore soon. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily 5-minute Python lessons. See you in day 8.